Harrison Jones?
Quinn Riley.
I can't stay.
What are you drinking?
I can't stay. I'm sorry. I only came because Lori said she didn't have your number and couldn't cancel, and I didn't want you to be waiting here because getting stood up in a place like this is like falling face down on a runway. And even though I don't know you, Lori's got this annoying habit of meddling, and it seemed only decent to...
What are you drinking?
I can't stay, is what I'm saying. And besides, I don't do blind dates.
My parents met on a blind date. They've been inseparable ever since.
Well, I'm happy for your parents and for you because it means you exist, but
This isn't a blind date.
What? What?
It's a job interview. Now, what are you drinking?
Dirty martini? What do you mean this is a job interview?
It's a job interview.
Then why aren't we in the office?
Because we don't do interviews like that.
I didn't apply for a job with you.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No.
Why don't you ask me who I work for?
Okay. Who do you work for?
Olivia Pope.
Oh, the Olivia Pope?
One and only.